Hi, good day. I'm John and see you again. Okay, can you have a wild guess what is this actually? Well, no idea, right? Okay, this is actually what we call it a hook, and the size is quite interesting. Around 2 cm. Height is around like 2 cm too. It's actually 2 cm by 2 cm or 20 mm by 20 mm. Okay, the purpose of innovate this thing or we enhance this clip is for the ease of hydroponic pips to use it as the bar clips. So why do I say bar clips? Okay, this is actually bar clips which used to make hydroponic stands or whatever, or this is a UPVC material. So with this you can just clip it over here and it is easy to remove and you can clip. The purpose is actually if you intended to put netting or so, for example, you can see, okay, netting or what we call it what they call it, greenhouse or whatever, you can use this clip. So this clip will just clip the item and it will stick, and you can remove it as well. So to ensure this thing clips well, you can make the medium more thicker so it will have a perfect clip. As you can see, I can even raise it up, right? So this is some of the things which I innovate and I would like to share in case you have the interest to buy, or you can also request the blueprint from me for free and I can just pass it to you. So okay, happy 3D printing and all the best. And this is one of the UPVC pipe which we always use for hydroponic set. And let's clip. One more thing, you can print and reuse. Okay peeps, that's all for now. Thank you and bye bye.